People often come to dermatologists for skin cancer checks. I want to quickly tell you about the 3 most common skin cancers. Know that there are actually many more types, but these are the 3 most common and important ones to know. The most common is basal cell cancer, and that's from chronic sun damage. It can show up anywhere on the body, but most commonly on the face, and in particular on the nose. So if you went to tanning salons, worked as a lifeguard, had a lot of sun growing up, you're certainly at higher risk for a basal cell skin cancer. The second most common would be squamous cell cancer. This is usually a scaly patch or plaque, much more commonly seen in the elderly population who have had chronic ultraviolet radiation exposure. Again, typically patients are over 50 years of age for that. And then less commonly, but the most serious by far, would be melanoma. And melanoma is also related to sun exposure, and in particular sudden or severe sun, meaning a sunburn. It's also been associated with tanning salon use. So another reason not to go to tanning salons. You want to avoid skin cancer, you want to avoid brown sunspots and all the wrinkles that you'll get from the tanning salons. So 3 main types of skin cancers that we discussed. There are several others. If you have a lesion or a spot that's changing, growing, itching, bleeding, hurting, anything different, what we call an ugly duckling, you need to see your dermatologist and have it examined.